This is our first lesson on ratio. In this case, we're doing simplifying ratios. Now, a ratio is a comparison of like quantities. If we consider this, 3 to 6 has a 3, then a colon and a 6. The way we say it is 3 to 6. The idea we can think about is we can write it as a fraction as well. 3 over 6 means the same thing, which of course breaks down to 1/2. Now 3 to 6 then can be written, okay, in terms of 1/2, we can write it as 1 to 2. So that would be an example of equivalent ratios there. 3 to the 6 is the same as 1 to 2. Let's look at some examples. We're asked to simplify the ratios, in other words, break them down, much like we do with fractions. The first one is 10 to 15. Now what we need to do is we look at the two numbers, 10 and 15, we need to think of a number that divides into both. Well, the number that is required here is 5. We can divide 5 into both numbers. So firstly the 10. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. And then the 15, if we divide that by 5, we get 3. So our simplified ratio there is 2 to 3. Example 2, we need to simplify 8 to 4. Can you think of a number that goes into both? Well, if you said 4, that would be right. We're going to divide both by 4. So 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. So our simplified ratio there is 2 to 1. Our third ratio there is 12 to 18 to 15. It gives an idea there. It's not always just two numbers involved with ratio. It can be more than that. Most often it's 2, but it can be more. So we need to look at all the numbers, 12, 18 and 15. What number would divide into each of those? Well, the number we want is 3. We need to divide by 3. So 12, divide that by 3, we get 4. Then we have the 18, divide that by 3, and we get 6. And finally the 15, we divide that by 3, we get 5. So our ratio there